So how do employers recruit? Lots of different ways to recruit on campus, and our employer engagement team, again, is really behind the scenes making all of these things happen. So first we have job fairs. I wonder if anyone can give me like a thumbs up, feel free, if anyone in this room has been to a career fair before. If not, that's exactly what we're here to talk about. I just ask for the thumbs up just in case someone's been before, and I see a few coming in, so that's great. So it might look a little bit different for the folks who are returning this cycle than it has in previous cycles. So it's a good thing that we're going over this overview together. Job fairs are a chance for you to connect with multiple employers all at once, representing, like we saw in that previous slide, a wide variety of industries and functions. So we talked about this, right? Not just business by any means. Students across all disciplines and fields have access to top employers, not just in Chicagoland, but nationwide and even globally. On-campus interviews are an interview for a specific position right at DePaul. So an employer will actually come to campus and conduct an interview. We do have interview spaces on our campus as well in both career centers, so that if you need that quiet place to conduct the interview and the employer needs that place as well, we can facilitate that. Handshake job board. So we talked about Handshake, and again, feel free to put a thumbs up in the chat or using your icon if you're on Handshake already. You can search for jobs and internships that meet your specific needs and criteria, whether that be location, a specific title, industry, and function. Job shadows. So you can get an inside look at a specific company again by shadowing a professional short term. So perhaps for a day, you go into an advertising firm and you shadow a creative director. Info sessions and tabling. I was really happy today when I was on campus to see an employer tabling right in the atrium. This is a chance for you to connect with a specific employer more in passing to gain insights into culture, hiring practices, and opportunities. So for instance, what I saw today was 2 long boy tables with a tablecloth with the employer's name. They had some fun swag items, and yes, I grabbed some. And the recruiter was there to check you in using a QR code to get your contact information. You're always welcome to bring a resume, but really just have more informal conversations about the culture, what that employer is all about, and how to keep in touch. And then, of course, events and networking. We facilitate relationship building nights where you can talk to folks from different industries and organizations and build meaningful relationships and get a sense of who your target employers are.